Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our presentation on the world's most beautiful birds. Get ready to witness the stunning beauty of birds like never before. Join us on an incredible journey as we explore some of the most gorgeous creatures in the avian world. With their vibrant colors and intricate patterns, these birds showcase the incredible diversity of nature. Sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed as we unveil the world's most breathtakingly beautiful birds. Thank you. Let's start. Number 1. Toucan birds. Toucans are vibrant birds found in the rainforests of Central and South America. They have large, lightweight beaks and colorful plumage. Toucans are social creatures living in small groups and communicate through distinct vocalizations. They feed on a diverse diet of fruits, insects, eggs, and small reptiles. They are skilled flyers, nesting in tree cavities and raising 2 to 4 chicks until they can fly on their own. Number 2. Kingfishers. Kingfishers are colorful birds with compact bodies, long bills, and vibrant plumage. They are skilled fishers, diving into water from perches or hovering to catch prey like fish, crustacean, and insects. Kingfishers have excellent eyesight, allowing them to spot prey accurately even from a distance. There are 114 recognized species of kingfishers found worldwide. Number 3. Peacocks. Peacocks are known for their vibrant plumage and impressive courtship displays. Peacocks are social birds, often found in small groups consisting of a male, several females, and their offspring. Due to size and weight of their elaborate train feathers, peacocks have limited flying abilities and spend most of their time on the ground or perched in trees. Male peacocks use both visual displays and loud vocalization to attract mates with their calls, varying from high-pitched screams to melodious cries. Female peafowls, called peahens, have more subdued appearances. Compared to males, they have shorter tail, feathers, and less vibrant coloration, often sporting brown feathers to provide camouflage for nesting. Number 4. Northern Cardinals. Northern Cardinals are medium-sized songbirds found in North America. Male cardinals have vibrant red feathers and a distinctive crest, while females have a more muted appearance. They inhabit a range of habitats including woodlands, gardens, and suburban areas. Cardinals primarily feed on seeds but also consume berries, fruits, insects, and small creatures. Male cardinals are known for their melodious songs used for territorial defense and communications. They are monogamous birds that build cup-shaped nests, and both parents participate in caring for the chicks. Number 5. Tanagers. Tanagers are a family of birds found primarily in the Americas with over 400 species. They exhibit a wide range of colors with vibrant plumage in shades of red, yellow, orange, and blue being common. Tanagers can be found in diverse habitats including forests, woodlands, mountains, and urban areas. They have varied diets with many species feeding on fruits, insects, nectar, and even small vertebrates. Tanagers have different breeding behaviors including monogamy, polygyny, and cooperative breeding. They build cup-shaped nests in trees or shrubs. Tanagers are known for their diverse vocalizations, including songs, calls, and territorial sounds which vary between species.